Yo, what's up everyone? And today we're diving deep into the world of digital products. But hold up, we're not just talking about the same old downloads, we're cranking things up a notch by bringing AI into the mix. Now you might be thinking, AI for digital products, isn't that like super complicated? And yeah, it might sound intimidating at first, but trust me, it's about to get a whole lot clearer. We're gonna break down how you can design, create, and sell digital products using the power of AI. Think about it. AI can help you generate stunning graphics, write compelling sales copy, and even automate your entire sales process. We're talking next-level efficiency and a whole new world of creative possibilities here. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video is your step-by-step guide to unlocking the potential of AI for digital product success. So buckle up, because things are about to get seriously interesting. First things first, we gotta figure out what kind of digital products you're gonna create. This is where choosing the right niche comes in. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passions and skills align with a market that's hungry for what you're offering. Think about your expertise, your interests, and what you genuinely enjoy doing. Are you a design whiz? Maybe creating stunning website templates is your jam. Or perhaps you're a coding guru who can whip up AI-powered tools like it's nothing. The beauty of the digital world is that there's an audience for almost everything. But remember, we're not just looking for any audience. We want an engaged, passionate audience that's ready to invest in what you're creating. So, take some time to explore different niches. Research popular platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market to see what's selling well. And don't forget to tap into tools like Google Trends to spot emerging trends and see what people are searching for. Now let's talk about some niches that are absolutely killing it in the digital product space. One that's always in high demand is creative assets. Think about it. Every business, every website, every social media account needs eye-catching graphics, fonts, and templates. Then there's the world of e-learning. Online courses, workshops, and educational resources are booming as more and more people embrace the flexibility of digital learning. If you've got knowledge to share, this could be your lane. And of course, we can't forget about AI-powered tools. This is where things get really interesting. We're talking about tools that can automate tasks, generate content, and provide personalized experiences. The demand for these tools is only going to skyrocket. The key here is to find a niche that not only excites you but also has the potential for growth and longevity. Remember, you're building a business here, so choose wisely. One last point before we move on, don't be afraid to niche down. It might seem counterintuitive, but getting specific with your target audience can actually lead to greater success. Think about it. Would you rather be a small fish in a big pond or a big fish in a small pond? By focusing on a narrow niche, you become the go-to expert for that specific audience. Let's say you're passionate about graphic design, and you love creating social media templates. Instead of targeting all businesses, you could niche down to focus on, say, fitness coaches or food bloggers. By understanding the specific needs and challenges of that niche, you can create highly targeted products that are more likely to resonate and convert. Remember, specificity is key. Alright, so you've chosen your niche and you're ready to start creating some killer digital products. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a design wizard or a coding genius to make it happen. That's where the magic of AI comes in. We're talking about AI tools that can help you design stunning graphics, write compelling copy, and even generate code, all with just a few clicks. These tools are like having a team of virtual assistants working alongside you, amplifying your creativity and streamlining your entire workflow. Gone are the days of spending hours on tedious design tasks or struggling to find the right words. AI is here to take care of the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on what really matters, bringing your vision to life. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, there's an AI tool out there that can help you level up your design game. So let's dive into some of the most powerful AI tools for digital product creation. Let's start with the visual side of things. Imagine being able to generate high-quality graphics, illustrations, and even entire brand identities with just a few prompts. Well, with AI-powered design tools, that's totally possible. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E 2 are absolute game changers when it comes to creating unique and eye-catching visuals. You can literally type in what you want and these AI wizards will generate multiple options for you to choose from. And it's not just static images. AI is also revolutionizing the world of video creation. Tools like Lumen 5 and Synthesia allow you to create professional-looking videos with AI-generated voiceovers and animations. You don't even need to be on camera if you don't want to. The possibilities here are endless. Whether you're creating social media graphics, website banners, or even animated explainer videos, AI can help you achieve professional-level results without the steep learning curve. Alright, so you've got a killer idea for a digital product. You're hyped, but hold up a second. Before diving in, ensure there's a market for your product. Don't waste time on something nobody wants. Market research is crucial. Understand your audience and their needs. You wouldn't release a phone without knowing desired features. Use powerful tools at your disposal. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are gold mines. Browse your niche, see what's selling and what's missing. Take notes on pricing, descriptions, and reviews. This is valuable intel. Use it to differentiate your product and stand out. Compete on product presentation and value proposition. Now while you're scoping out the competition, it's also prime time to tap into trends. This is where tools like Google Trends and Answer the Public become your best friends. These platforms give you a direct line into what people are searching for online. Plug in keywords related to your niche and see what's trending upwards. Are people going crazy for minimalist website templates? Is there a sudden surge in demand for social media management tools? This data is invaluable for validating your ideas and even sparking new ones. But it's not just about chasing the latest fad. Use these tools to identify long-term trends and evergreen topics in your niche. Remember, you want to create something that has staying power, something people will still be searching for months or even years down the line. And hey, speaking of staying power, don't be afraid to carve your own path. Just because something isn't trending doesn't mean there's no demand. Sometimes the most unique and innovative products are the ones that create their own trends. Okay, so you've done your market research, you've analyzed the trends, and you're feeling good about your product idea. But before you get too comfortable, there's one more crucial step: getting feedback. And no, I'm not talking about asking your mom if she likes the logo. Reach out to your target audience directly. Join online communities, forums, social media groups, whatever platforms your ideal customers frequent. Share your idea, without giving away the entire secret sauce, of course, and ask for honest opinions. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they looking for? What features would they find valuable? This feedback loop is invaluable for refining your product and ensuring it truly resonates with your target market. Remember, validation isn't about seeking praise, it's about getting real, actionable insights. Be open to criticism, be willing to pivot, and don't be afraid to go back to the drawing board if needed. Trust me, it's better to iterate now than to launch a product that misses the mark. Alright, so you've validated your idea, you know there's a market for it, and now it's time to bring that digital product to life. This is where the design process comes in, and let me tell you, it's equal parts exciting and meticulous. But before we even open up our design tools, we need to shift our mindset. Remember, you're not just creating a product, you're crafting a solution. What problem are you solving for your target audience? What pain point are you addressing? Keep that problem front and center throughout the entire design process. Every feature, every element, every line of code should directly contribute to solving that core problem. This laser focus will not only result in a more effective product, but it'll also make your marketing a whole lot easier. Because when you can clearly articulate the problem your product solves, you're speaking directly to the needs and desires of your target audience. And that, my friends, is how you create a product that sells itself. Now, in the world of digital products, it's tempting to go wide, to create a massive library of products and hope something sticks. But I'm here to tell you, quality always trumps quantity. Think about the tech products we love. They're not winning awards for having the most features, they're winning because of their user experience, their design, their attention to detail. The same principle applies to digital products. Don't spread yourself too thin trying to cater to everyone. Focus on creating a few truly exceptional products that solve specific problems exceptionally well. This not only allows you to maintain high standards, but it also positions you as a premium provider in your niche. Remember, you're building a brand here. And just like with any tech product, reputation is everything. A reputation for quality will attract loyal customers who are willing to pay a premium for your expertise. Okay, so we've talked about solving problems and prioritizing quality, but let's not forget about the importance of aesthetics and staying relevant. Design trends matter, especially in the digital world where first impressions are everything. Keep an eye on what's hot in your niche. Are minimalist designs all the rage? Is there a shift towards bold colors and playful typography? Are people gravitating towards a specific visual style? Incorporating these trends, tastefully of course, can make your product feel fresh, modern, and appealing to your target audience. But here's the key. Don't just blindly follow trends. Put your own spin on them. Inject your brand's personality into the design. Remember, you want to stand out from the crowd, not blend in with it. And hey, if you're feeling really adventurous, don't be afraid to set your own trends. Experiment, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's expected. After all, the best way to stand out is to create something truly unique and unforgettable. Alright, you've poured your heart and soul into designing an awesome digital product, and now it's time to get it out into the world. This is where choosing the right sales channels comes in. Think of it like picking the perfect launchpad for your product rocket. First up, we've got the marketplaces. These are platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market. Think of them like the app stores for digital products. They're already established with huge audiences actively looking for what you're selling. Each platform has its own vibe, its own strengths, and its own target audience. Etsy, for example, is known for its handmade and vintage feel, while Gumroad is a haven for independent creators and digital downloads. Do your research, see where your product fits best, and don't be afraid to experiment with multiple platforms. The beauty of marketplaces is that they handle a lot of the heavy lifting for you, payment processing, customer support, even marketing to some extent. But that convenience comes at a cost, usually in the form of transaction fees. Now, while marketplaces are great for getting started, there's something to be said for having your own online store. It's like having your own website versus just a social media profile. You're in complete control. Platforms like Shopify and WordPress make it easier than ever to build a beautiful, functional online store without needing a degree in coding. And the best part? You get to keep all the profits, minus any platform fees, of course. Having your own store gives you the freedom to customize every aspect of the customer experience, from branding and design to pricing and promotions. Plus, you get to collect valuable customer data that you can use to improve your products and marketing efforts. But building your own store does require a bit more work up front. You'll need to set up payment processing through gateways like Stripe or PayPal, and you'll be responsible for handling customer support inquiries. Okay, so you've got your marketplace listings and maybe even your own online store. Now it's time to shout it from the digital rooftops and get people clicking that Buy Now button. Social media is your best friend here. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok are visual playgrounds. Create eye-catching graphics, share behind-the-scenes content, even partner with influencers. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, run contests and giveaways. If you've got the budget, don't shy away from paid advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to target your ideal customer. A well-crafted ad campaign can be a game changer for driving traffic and boosting sales. With the right combination of sales channels and marketing strategies, you can reach your target audience and turn your digital product dreams into a reality. Got an awesome digital product? Time to get it out there. Just putting it on a website isn't enough. Play the content marketing game. SEO is your secret weapon. SEO ensures your product pops up in relevant searches. Create killer content. Start a blog. provide value, make your content irresistible. Tutorials show how to use your products. They act as a soft sell, nudging towards purchase. Now let's talk about spreading the word further, like a tech rumor mill, but for your product. This is where affiliate marketing comes in. Imagine having a whole army of influencers and bloggers promoting your product to their dedicated audiences. Affiliate marketing is like tapping into a pre-built network of trust. These influencers have already established themselves in their niche, and their followers value their opinions. When they recommend your product, it carries weight. Find influencers who align with your brand and reach out to them. And then there's email marketing. Yeah, I know it might sound a little old school in the age of TikTok and Instagram, but trust me, it's still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience directly. Build an email list. Offer something valuable in exchange for their email address, like a freebie or a discount code. Then, use email marketing to keep your subscribers informed about new products, promotions, and any updates. The beauty of the digital world is that it's constantly evolving, and so should your product. Don't be afraid to iterate and expand based on feedback. This isn't a set it and forget it kind of deal. Listen to your customers. Pay attention to what they're saying. What do they like about your product? What could be improved? Use their feedback to make your product even better. The more you iterate, the closer you get to that sweet spot of meeting your customers' needs. And remember, the digital world is a fast-paced one. New trends emerge all the time, and you gotta keep up. Don't be afraid to expand your product line, introduce new designs, experiment with different formats. Keep your finger on the pulse of your niche. What are people talking about? What are they looking for? By staying ahead of the curve, you can ensure that your products remain relevant and in demand. Okay, let's talk passive income. We all love the idea of earning money while we sleep, right? And in the world of digital products, it's totally achievable. But to get there, you gotta embrace the power of automation. Think of it like setting your business on autopilot. With the right tools and strategies, you can streamline your processes, reduce manual work, and free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business, or, actually enjoying that passive income. One of the coolest ways to automate your store is by using AI-powered chatbots. These little digital assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, and even process orders, all while you're catching some Z's. There are tons of chatbot platforms out there like Tidio and ManyChat that integrate seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms. You can customize these chatbots to match your brand's voice and tone, creating a seamless and personalized experience for your customers. Now, let's talk about maximizing your revenue streams. We're not just talking about selling individual products here, we're talking about creating irresistible bundles and subscription plans that keep those sales rolling in on autopilot. Think about it. Bundles are a win-win for both you and your customers. You get to increase your average order value, and your customers get a sweet deal on a collection of products that complement each other. Let's say you're selling social media templates. You could create a bundle that includes templates for Instagram posts, stories, and even Pinterest pins. It's a no-brainer for someone looking to up their social media game. And then there are subscription plans. This is where the real passive income magic happens. By offering recurring subscriptions to your products or services, you create a predictable and consistent stream of revenue. Automating your store is like optimizing your phone for peak performance. You gotta keep tweaking and refining to make sure everything's running smoothly. Regularly review your automation workflows. Make sure your chatbot is handling inquiries effectively, your email sequences are converting, and your bundles and subscriptions are enticing customers. And don't forget to track your data. Use analytics to monitor your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. The more you analyze, the better you understand what's working and what's not, allowing you to fine-tune your strategies for maximum impact. Remember, optimizing for passive income is an ongoing process. It's about constantly seeking ways to streamline your operations, improve your offerings, and provide a seamless and enjoyable experience for your customers. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to designing and selling digital products using the power of AI. We've covered everything from choosing your niche to promoting your products and optimizing for passive income. The world of digital products is vast and constantly evolving. But with the right tools, strategies, and mindset, you can tap into this lucrative market and create a successful business on your own terms. Remember, the key is to be creative, stay informed, and never stop learning. The future of design and selling is here, and it's powered by AI. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on leveraging AI in your business. Happy designing and selling.